updated.
Hi everyone, welcome back. It's a pretty exciting day. We finally got the DJI Avata 360. It is an amazing drone. I love the appearance. I love the Avata too, and that's what this is based off of. You've got two lenses here, 1/1.1 sensors. You have single lens mode, you have obstacle avoidance when it's in 360 mode, you have LiDAR here, you have sensors here, you have a sensor on the bottom. It shoots 8K 60. I'm pretty excited. It took a long time for DJI to finally release these. But I was a little disappointed I couldn't just get the drone. They didn't have any, so I had to get another controller. So now I've got like 3 of these controllers, which I don't need 3. Today it's very sunny, the weather is beautiful, and we're gonna take this up for our first flight. And today we brought the Ray Neo Air 3S glasses because it's very sunny. It's very hard to see the screen. This is beautiful. I have a 200-inch screen. So anyways, enough talk. Let's just get her in the air. Gusted wind. Gusted wind. Okay, let's get her up.
Dji Avata 860 is finally here. Why did we wait so long? AK-60, capture it all. 1/1.1 sensor and single lens FPV. Why did we wait so long? Doctor for safety, 360 obstacle avoidance, LiDAR front facing avoidance in single lens mode. Buckle up and fly FPV, easy acro for flips and 180 turns. Be an FPV demon. Edit it all with DJI Studio. Why did we wait so long? Resolution 360 photos. Reframe it all. Why did we wait so long? What more do you want? 42 gig onboard storage. Capture it all. Why did we wait so long? Com 360 with Jim's droning. Capture it all. Why did we wait so long? Dji Avata 360 is finally here. The price is right. Why did we have to wait so long? Multiple controllers, multiple ways to fly. 360 simplified by Dji. Why did we wait so long? Fly 360 for fun or professional. Ultimate 360 tracking, don't miss a thing. 360 spotlight, light. Why did we wait so long?